baby, I know, baby, I know. I'ma do you dirty. Say you love me now. Baby, if you were...
Hey guys, it's me Megan, and today I'll be filming a hairstyles video. These hairstyles aren't like super intense whatsoever. Literally anyone can do it. I'm actually not that good at hair. I literally wear my hair straight every single day. But you guys have been asking for a video involving my hair, so I thought I would show you guys a few hairstyles. I'm actually starting off with my hair curled because my hair is like pretty much straight and I feel like it would make the hairstyle super boring. Before we get into the video, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe down below, and turn on my post notifications if you want to see more videos from me. Don't forget to enter my giveaways. I will link them down below. If you want videos on how I straighten and curl my hair for school, let me know by leaving a comment down below. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. For this first hairstyle, I'll be showing you guys how to do a side ponytail. This is really simple. I feel like nobody shows this in their tutorials for some reason. Basically, I just like to curl my hair and then put it in a side ponytail because it just looks a lot better than just like straight hair in a ponytail. I think it looks like very like sophisticated, but also like still really like casual. As for the next hairstyle, I'll be showing you guys how to do a side fishtail. Basically, you just need to split your hair into two sections and then you grab pieces from each section and put it into the other section. It's very self-explanatory, you guys can see. It is a little hard, but once you get the hang of it, you can honestly remember it for life. It's as easy as a braid. I will leave a tutorial down below, like I said, where you guys can like follow these steps better. But I'm just showing you guys ideas in this video, and I do this all the time. I love it. I think it's so much more secure than an actual braid. If you're like me and cannot French braid at all, I'm going to show you guys how to do a French braid look-alike, if that makes sense. Basically, you just want to take a section from the top of your head and braid it like regular, but you're just going to want to be pulling pieces in. I know most people do like a Dutch braid or like a French braid, but honestly I can't do either of those, so all I do is do a regular braid and try and add pieces. It doesn't look as good as like other braids, but it still gives off the same effect of these type of braids, and I love it. As for the next hairstyle, I'll be showing you guys how to do just pigtails. I already had my hair curled, so it made it look a lot better. So I would definitely recommend curling your hair if you do decide to put your hair in pigtails, because it adds just a little bit more volume and it makes you look more like flirty because of like the little curls. So I just pull all my hair back into two ponytails, and that's how you get this really easy pigtail look. I think it looks really nice with long hair. As for my last hairstyle, I honestly don't know what it's called, but I see all the girls on Instagram wearing this hairstyle. Basically, you curl your hair and then you put your hair into two little ponytails, kind of like pigtails, but they're much smaller sections of hair on the top of your head. And it kind of gives you like that Ariana Grande, like very elongated look to your hair because those two are like sticking out, and it makes your hair look a lot thicker. And you can also put your hair behind your ears, and it gives you kind of like a half up, half down look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like on it, subscribe down below, and turn on my post notifications if you want to see more videos from me. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I curl my hair or straighten my hair for school. Let me know by leaving a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!